In this video I am showing you how you can find all muted accounts on Instagram. So to do this, firstly go to your home screen and open the Instagram app, and when you are here, click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then click on the settings. When you click on the settings, tap on the privacy, and when you are on the privacy tab, here you have to go to the muted accounts, and here you can see all the muted accounts. So to unmute any of the accounts, simply tap on account and then tap on the following button, and here you can see the mute option. Tap on the mute and here you can disable all the option. So now when you go back to your profile, then here you can see, when you again go back to muted accounts, here you can see all this person is removed. So that's it, that how you can find all muted accounts on Instagram. And I have also showed that how you can unmute someone. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.